Welcome to our BDIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
So we have showed all the process for SEO, how we can add our SEO behind our content and how we can set this high resolution thumbnail, comment pin, info card and screen edit, caption edit, comment hearted, everything we have shown. And now you can see that we have added our SEO behind this content, but here there is no ranked text showing. So we need ranked text for here, and so this SEO score will not work for us. You can see that they are not counting any of the ranking things 1, 2, 3, or 12, 14, those things. So we need some ranked text. For that, I have searched with Canva tutoring and I got this video. On this video, you can see the SEO score and they have 10 ranked tags, right? So let me take these tags, copy, and then going to our video again, go to edit section, edit video, click on edit video button, wait for few seconds, it will redirect us to another page. So here is our edit page section. So scroll down. Here is our old text, what we have already set up here. Let's just loading. Okay. Now you can see it is not showing any ranking text, right? As we already showed that there is no ranking text for this video. So let me delete all, and whatever we have copied to our clipboard, we need to paste it over there. So I paste it over there, and now I am searching for logo design. Let's see if we find anything. So this one, let's click this one and let's see their keywords. Not much SEO score you can see. So we'll not take this one. We need some good title. So we can take, it is not Bangla tutorial, so we can't take this one. So we can take this one as well, but we need to click on video and need to see what the SEO score is for this video. Then we can take this title. Wait for few seconds and see its score is 90 and click to load, and it is showing 12 ranking keywords, right? So we can take these keywords also. Let's see whatever we have set up, what it show us. Let's just copy this title first, and I am going to paste it over there on our video. Okay, so save it. Now moving to our channel again. and you need to click this video again, and it will show us the ranking now. Let me go to our video section. You will get all the tutorials for digital marketing, Canva tutoring, and automation testing course on our channel. So visit our channel and do not forget to subscribe and share to others. So this was our video which we have added our SEO and title. So let's see. Now it will show us the SEO score. So see, the SEO score is now 55. We have already showed that our SEO score was only 50, right? And there was no ranking tags, and you can see it is not showing any ranking tags also. So we need to take another tags, and we need to keep going searching for rank tags, and we need to put it again and again behind our content, and we need to refresh it again and again, and whenever it will show us ranking tags 5 to 10, then it will be okay for your video. So I will show you how we can add again, and how we can search for many tags, and again how we can edit, and how it will show ranking tags on our content. For that you need to see my next video. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos and to get notification click the bell icon.